Lagi ko yun ng mga dyan. Sa tatlong ako.
Samos ma'am. Samos ma'am.
Ako naman kami.
Ayan.
Gusto ko, ikaw lang eh. Hindi, yun nga. Nakatutok. Ay. Again. Hey. Ready? It's gonna be a good time. Ay, nandito na kami sa drop up ng Snow Mountain. Ito ang kanyang kapaligiran. Hey, if you have anything to leave in the pantry. Medyo madilim at dito kami nakarating. Magkakaroon kami ng night trek. Kamusta naman?
Still alright, my friend.
Okay naman.
Okay.
Okay kayo. Ito nga ang kaso. Ito nyo, walang laman. Walang laman.
Amin to. Okay kayo.
Walang naman. At kami lang ng tao nandito. At napakalaki na aming sleeping deck. Laki na aming kwarto. Kahit sa aming matulog, walang problema. Dahil talaga ng epekto ng encode sa turismo, kita-kita naman walang tao. So papahinga muna kami.
The next day.
Good morning guys. Akit na uli kami.
Biyat ka.
Pret ako eh.
Siguro makatulog na ito ni 11 hours.
Thank you Mr. Tyler for the breakfast.
Hello.
Akit uli kami ng mga
Yeah.
5 to 6 hours. Papunta sa base camp ko.
Hindi pagod.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. The only girl in the team. Hi. Ah? Pahinga muna.
I didn't think I would need it. Usually for other people.
Pahinga muna kami dito sa Liuju Hut.
It's a big hole.
Ang maganda pa naman ang panahon.
The 369 hat. It's a big.
It's not very nice, but it's probably.
So they want.
Well, the forecast says.
How are you, brother?
Rain.
Still alright, my friend.
A little bit tonight.
Practice English, man.
Yeah.
People just.
Because you've become international hiker, man.
Yeah.
International tourist also.
Now you know.
There's a nice view.
It's better to practice.
Yeah.
Supposed to be this is Nakikita niyo po ba yung likod na yan? Yun yung aakatin namin. Saan ba? Doon pa lang po yung Ayon sa aming guide, this is the hardest part daw. Yan. So ngayon, 20 minutes break. Kailangan mag-jacket on.
As it's colder, getting colder.
Nandito na kami sa
Maybe it's but if the sun's out, it's hot.
this is sa Kupus Loop. 20 minutes break daw para pagandaan yung
Ay, nawala.
yung trail lang yan.
Yeah, I thought it's very quick.
Going there.
Dito na kami sa base camp. Last stop before summit. So bukas na kami agad ulit.
很棒，但是这样。
Sarap ba?
Sarap.
Very good.
Tayo po pala na yung gamit ko. Kasi gano'n. Sa paano yan? Hindi. Hindi lang natin sa bag.
Kamusta ang lahat? Mr. Jumper,
Okay?
Mr. Kaplevi,
Yes.
kamusta ang lahat? Last push na namin ito ng summit. Yeah!
Call. Akit muna palit. Muntik pa akong hindi pa rin
Ayan, naula pa rin siya ng ice.
Well, eto na kami.